Hi there, welcome to Kneppyinvests. I don't know a lot about Calix, but I do know a few years ago this company was sort of a market darling. The valuation of this company was well over $1 billion. Share price almost got to $10 in early 2021. Unfortunately, the company share price on the 29th of January 2024 has fallen 22%. And the share price right now is $1.82. So share price of this company has fallen a lot over the past few years. And the main reason it's fallen a lot is simply because this company is not profitable. In fact, in the past financial year, they only generated $18 million of revenue, but the market loves the potential of this company. And even though share price has dropped a lot, the market still loves the potential of this company. Now, what this company does can be maybe described by their motto on their webpage, because Mars is for wetters. So they want to solve all the problems, maybe not all the problems, but they don't want to solve many of the problems we are facing on this planet. And they say if we are going to Mars, we're just quitting on Earth. We're abandoning Earth. Now, I disagree with because Mars is for quitters. I wouldn't say it's said in for jest, but I believe the reason we want to go to Mars is because humans are explorers. We love to explore. We want to explore Mars, the moon, space, other galaxies, that sort of thing. So just because we want to go to Mars doesn't mean we are abandoning Earth. But it's a pretty good motto, in my opinion, because it tells us what the ultimate aim of Calix is. Now, one of the things they do is like carbon capturing, but another thing they do is reducing CO2 emissions from the cement industry through this project called Lelac, which is low emissions intensity lime and cement project, supported by EU research funds, and involves a consortium that is led by Calix that also includes industrial heavyweights, Heidelberg Cement, Cemex, Elhoist, and Tarmac. So the reason I'm showing you this particular part of their corporate brochure is because this is a reason why share price, not this project, but something to do with this project, is a reason why the share price dropped 22%. Now, when I see a share price of a company drop 22%, I want to come to an understanding on whether the market is overreacting, underreacting, or has it right. And in this case, I believe there is potential that the market is overreacting to the news this company released on the 29th of January. So let's have a look at the announcement the company did release to cause this drop. So it's just this one. Lelac 2 project to relocate as Heidelberg Materials ends clinker production in Hanover. And I did see this, the title of this announcement, and then I saw Calix share price dropping a lot. So I thought maybe there was more to this. Not really. They're just delaying this project. And the minimum delay is 6 months. The maximum delay is we just don't know. And we can see that this project's still going ahead. It's just they want to move the location of where the project is being done by, or where the project is. So, for instance, if we go to the second page here, the CEO and Managing Director of Calix, Phil Hodgins, says, we will work closely with Heidelberg Materials and our Lelac Consortium partners on the relocation options. One of the reasons why they're relocating or want to relocate is because of suppressed activity in Germany. Once chosen, we would expect around 6 months additional engineering work associated with site integration specifics. The Lelac 2 module is basically ready to build, blah, blah, blah. So the best case scenario is a 6-month delay. Worst case scenario, maybe 2, 3, 5-year delay. And that comes back to whether the market overreacted. Now, the first thing we have to understand about the market is it hates uncertainty. The market hates uncertainty above all else. And this significantly increases the uncertainty around the project because you're talking about a delay. And not only does the market hate uncertainty, the market hates added risk. So that is the two things that Calix has done. Well, not Calix itself has done, but the two things that we can read from this particular announcement: increased uncertainty, increased risk. The market hates it. Share price down 22%. The other thing I should mention when it comes to this company is just the chart. So I should go look at the daily chart, not the 5-minute chart. Chart looks really ugly right now. So I've already mentioned the share price back in 2021 was as high as about $10. In fact, the high in the Calix share price was 9 $8.65, not quite $10. And that was just after a beautiful uptrend. You can just see the shift in sentiment around this company. Beautiful uptrend, 2021, into start of 2022. Then the share price moved into a downtrend and then a well-defined downtrend towards the end of 2022. And the share price has fallen significantly. So from $9.65 to a current share price of $1.82. Not only that, if we just zoom in a little bit, just 1 month ago, or just over 1 month ago, the share price of this company was $3.60. So that's the 15th of December. So the share price has halved in just over 1 month. So there is potential that this particular announcement was released when there was maximum negative sentiment in this company. And sometimes when you do see this sort of thing happening, you might see a bounce. You can see the short-term sentiment in the company change significantly in a fairly short period of time. And it wouldn't be surprising to see Calix share price got a little bit of a run because the share price has dropped 50% in such a short period of time. But this has been taken quite negatively by the market. So it's going to be interesting to see how the share price goes from here. Now, I have no interest in taking a position in this company. And one of the reasons why is because this company only produced $18 million of revenue in the previous financial year. And the company right now is trading on a market cap, has a valuation of $331 million. This is after the drop in share price of 22%. So the company is trading on 20 times revenue right now, which does seem quite excessive. And that also tells me that the market sees a lot of potential. Not only the market sees a lot of potential, the market loves what this company is doing. It's intrigued by what this company is doing. And that's why I say this company is in the right space. And if the management of this company can realize that potential, then you could definitely argue the valuation of this company is looking really attractive at $330 million. But there's a lot of ifs there. And the management have to realize that potential. So that's really all I got for this particular video on Calix and why the share price dropped 22% in 1 day. Now, I'd love to hear from you, particularly if you're a shareholder of this company. If you're bullish on this company, I'd love to hear your reasoning whys. So leave those in the comment section of this video. Otherwise, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do need financial advice, make sure you seek out someone who is qualified and can speak to your own financial needs. That's it for this video. Have a good day. Bye.